Hey, we would love to work with you guys.
Man, that would be great.
That'd be super cool.
It would be very cool. Basically, the type of content I'm looking for is exactly what I'm seeing, showing your product off. But it's not just an advertising piece. You know, I want to show the install product. Of course, I want you to get some advertising out of it, but I want it to be knowledgeable for the person watching it on our site.
So if you see this, right, so here's the kick panel upholstery install.
They show you to prep the panels before they actually put the vinyl on there. That's it, and that's what people are doing. They're taking their trucks and they're just wanting to put their personal touch on it,
right.
and you're helping them that with the products that you have.
They're gonna literally walk you through these. We have our own videographer here. We have our own setup.
Yeah, absolutely.
So 360 booth. So after people are done doing installs, we can actually shoot it in there.
Run all the way around it.
Absolutely, it's fantastic.
You're talking top-notch quality. I really like the distressed vinyls that you have now too. Some of the colors and the design features that you have on your panels are really amazing. Now, are you thinking about possibly doing something like that in the Florida area? I would love to do something like that. So, just throwing that out there.
I can't tell you what my problem.
We can't say anything yet.
I'm just gonna go ahead and say that I'd love to do this, and I think you're a great time to be here.
Okay, that sounds great.
My name is Malek. What's your name again?
My name is Sean.